Hello friends, and welcome to another session of Anka classes. Today we'll continue with linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables ki question Okay. So this is the question for what values of A does the pair of equations 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and A minus 1 x plus a plus 1 y is equal to 3a minus 1 have infinitely many solutions. Okay, so question jina hai is the equation ani piram basida unknown variable a na me yaw natra unknown am yaw so this is a na me yaw sigi a value z kaya oidoino given condition infinitely many solution laigadaba. Okay, so 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 and a minus 1x plus a plus 1y is equal to 3a minus 1 hariba linear equation anisi infinitely many solution laige haiba tarbadi sidais the a hana yauriba unknown gi value kaya oigadabano. Okay, so this is the sigi question je coin attempt tawo matam the seasonary kadoriba concept si karino haiba matam da infinite many solution ki condition ji kaino a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2 laigedabani yan tare ko sigi condition ji infinitely many solution haibidi kaino line ek thorokpa matam da graph ek thorokpa matam da equation si represent ba line si overlap so let us solve this question. Hamda mana pyramid equation ani asi. What will we do? We'll write it in standard form. So we have equation ani asi 2x plus 3y is equal to 7 implies that 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0. So this is equation 1. Similarly, a minus 1 x plus a plus 1 y is equal to 3a minus 1. Sigizizu I call general form the ithopirasi a minus 1 x plus a plus 1 y minus 3a minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is the section gadaba mana aina sigi pull up thamdur ini ko so mogi pull up si asai 3a minus 1 ji bracket manung na thamu bracket se lok thoke hai tardi you have to write 3a plus 1 minus 3a plus 1. Okay, so why not dum toksi this is much easier. So this is equation 2. Equation 1 2 je iraba matungda kai hai ni here hogi a1 kai wani this is the a1 ji ahambagi 2 oira natra mathangda b1 ji kya oirani 3 oirani and c1 is equal to minus 7. There we go. Next is a2 is equal to a minus 1, b2 is equal to a plus 1, c2 is equal to minus 3a minus 1. Okay, so we have a1 a2 b1 b2 c1 c2 ado itadi ekoi masagi ratio si puthosi a1 by a2 ki ratio si kya hoini 2 by a minus 1 natra. Similarly b1 by b2 si kya hoini 3 by a plus 1 natra. Mathangda c1 by c2 si kaya hoini minus 7 upon minus 3a minus 1. Excuse me. Okay, now sigi kano se lere natra koi ratio me anju to matungda koi na sigi concept si seasonal. Okay, kari ibatai sidista. We know that for a pair of equations, for a pair of linear equations to have infinite many solutions, A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. Si lagdamni hai. Adu itadi mathang kai taroni substituting natra the values for the ratio me am substitute tawsi aduga kai tar king. See, we have A1 by A2 is 2 upon A minus 1 is equal to B1 by B2 is 3 upon A plus 1, and C1 by C2 is minus 7 upon minus 3A minus 1. Okay, now we have an equation. See the equation is the equation. Kamaina proceed to we have see the equation is the lady. See the term ani is lower GI equina. See ani is GI, and we can use these two also. Okay, we can use any of the given equation. The yauriba term ahumze. Ahumzi gimanung the ani hecta equate to we can find the values of y. Okay, so equina live matawasi. So taking 2 upon A minus 1, which is equal to 3 upon A plus 1. Same is lowers. Okay, so kailani 2 A plus 1 ibam lani 3 A minus 1 ibam lani. So we have 2A plus 2 is equal to 3A minus 3. So 2A minus 3A is equal to minus 3 minus 2. The minus A is equal to minus 5. Implies that A is equal to 5. Okay, so therefore the required value of A is equal to 5. Okay, so this is how we solve this question. So before we conclude, let us try and understand. Revision equation ani pirame equation ani the A cover unknown unknown value karino for the equations to have infinitely many solution. The equation standard form the standard form the matungda A1 B1 C1 A2 B2 C2 ithopirani mogi corresponding ratios mayam puthwani. Ratios se puthwa matungda season agadoriba condition je kaino A1 by B1 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2 je palani. We will substitute the ratios. Ratios se substitute tawba matungda we can choose any pair. Pair is the pair amekta lauraga A value puthwani. Okay, sigi matam sigi jaga is the okay, let us take these two pair. 3 A plus 1 and minus 7 minus 3A minus 1. See, you easy 5 tar. Okay, so minus cancel out. So we have 3A minus 1 is equal to 7A plus 1. So we have 9A minus 3 is equal to 7A plus 7. Okay, so 9A minus 7A, 7 plus 3. Okay, so 9A minus 7A is 2A, 7 plus 3 is 10. Implies that A is equal to 10 upon 2, which is equal to 5. So A value 5 set. So we can use any given pair. Okay, so this is how we solve this type of question. Okay, so thank you for joining Anka classes. We'll meet again.